Hey guys, it's me, Quite Crafty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some DIY organization and desk decor. So if you guys are new to my channel, I'm Quite Crafty. I make lots of craft videos like these, as well as some art ones. So consider subscribing, join the Quiet family, and without further ado, let's get started. The first DIY is an organizer. So what you'll need is a cardboard or some foam board, some colored paper, a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks, some regular glue, a paintbrush to spread the glue around evenly, a box cutter or an X-Acto knife, a pencil and eraser, as well as a ruler. So I'm just gonna measure each piece according to the picture as well as how many of them. So yeah. So once you finish measuring out all your pieces, you're going to take your box cutter or X-Acto knife and you're going to cut them out. Make sure that you use a ruler when you're doing this so that your lines are straight and they're not very crooked. So when you're assembling the organizer, you might notice that some of the pieces don't fit. So if that's the case, then you're going to have to cut the piece down by 1/4 inch. So once you finish cutting out your pieces and cutting off a few sides because it doesn't fit, you're going to start gluing them to the paper. I'm just going to be gluing the inside parts pink. I'm going to leave the outside of the organizer white, and I'll finish this. And once you finish sticking all your paper on your foam board, you're going to start gluing the pieces together. The A piece is the base. What I'm gluing down is the E piece, which is going to be the back, as well as dividing the top organizer from the bottom. The top organizer is going to be divided by the C pieces, and the bottom organizer is going to be divided by the D piece, as well as the sides are B and the front is an F. The next DIY is a monogram letter. So what you'll need is a monogram letter. I made this about a year ago, link in description box, some acrylic paint, as well as a paintbrush. So I'm going to set down my painting mat, and I'm going to put my monogram letter down, move it aside, and I'm going to get my acrylic paint, which I can't open, so BRB. And once I do that, I'm going to say goodbye to the ugly brown and the ugly yellow, and I'm going to mix this into a soft brown. Now you guys can enjoy a nice painting montage. So you're going to let this dry, and once it's finished drying, it should look like this. Super cute. I highly recommend making this. Although you can see the yellow, it's fine, and yeah. The last DIY are glitter bottles. So what you'll need are some cute bottles. These are actually hotel shampoo ones, some chunky glitter or any kind of glitter, some hot glue, some twine, and some scissors, as well as some tape, some nail polish remover, and a cotton round to remove the label, and lastly, some scrap paper. So first you're going to take your bottles and you're going to put some nail polish remover on your cotton round. Then you're going to just rub on the label or what's left of it, and it didn't get rid of all of the adhesive, but it did get rid of the majority of it, so that's not as sticky as before. So once you remove all the labels, it should look something like this. And I'm going to start taking my hot glue and I'm going to glue down twine to the middle of the bottle. So this is the end of where I'm going to put the twine. Just going to glue it down, blow on it slightly so that the glue cools down faster. Then I'm just going to hold it just in case the glue hasn't dried yet. And I'm going to cut off a little tail, and the glue has finished cooling down, so I'm going to cut the tail as close as possible. And yeah, so I'm going to repeat with the other one and I'll be back. And I am back. So the ball should look something like this, and I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to just start cutting off the flyaways. For some reason my twine has so many and I don't really know why, so enjoy! Once you finish cutting all the flyaways, it should look something like this. I'm going to zoom you guys out so you can see me making the funnel. So I'm going to take the scrap piece of paper, cut out a small square. Now I'm going to fold the corners towards each other. This is an old math lesson, by the way, that I accidentally printed twice. So once you do that, you're going to glue or tape it together. I'm taping it. And it should look like this. Now you're going to put a funnel on top of an open bottle, and you're going to put your glitters inside. So I'm going to put in some iridescent stars, as well as some gold glitter. So it should look like this, and you're done. So that is it for this video. I still have a bunch of glitter on my hands from the gold glitter just getting everywhere. Anyways, if you guys do like this video, thumbs up. If you didn't, then thumbs down. Let me know how you feel. And if you have any feedback, comments, or suggestions, make sure to do so in the comment section down below. I am replying to anyone and everyone. So yeah. And if you are new, as I have said in the beginning of this video, consider subscribing to join the quiet family, because why not? Anyways, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be kind and be quiet. Bye!